The universe smiles upon us. I love this. Yeah, you look like a marble statue. Again. Do a cartwheel over the sun. Wow, that's under the sun, but that's fine.
Should I say a few words? Having one of those days where I'm just so bloody overwhelmed with life. It happens. I wish I had something inspiring to say, but I don't. Life is hard. Yes. Everyone. Being a human is hard. Working a 9-to-5 job that you fucking hate is hard. Working a job that you love is hard. Owning a business is hard. Trying to be a creative is hard.
Let's go!
I like your man hands when you're driving automatics. Again. Do you work for your daddy? Really embarrassing. I like your man hands waiting for my wife so that we can go and watch the sunset. Hopefully she's not dead.
I broke the disco ball. Disco's not dead.
I'm in Zoe's van right now, and this is what it looks like. Now, a billion sunglasses, a mushroom, a bone, some fucking statues, more mushrooms down here. Can't even see it. These are mushrooms. Yeah, more bones. I don't know what the fuck this is. Fucking hacky sack or something. Weird lanterns. Crystal. Alan Watts. Mandarin. I was just driving home and saw that the neighbour across the road was behind me, and this neighbour across the road got really upset because someone was parked on the other side of her driveway, and yeah, she's really kind of annoying. But anyways, I didn't want to deal with her, so I just turned around and drove down the road, and now I'm just going to wait for like 10 minutes until this woman goes inside her house and doesn't bother.
You always feel a little bit different. Baptizio is here to tell you, you can be at home. There are many in this world made to feel they do not belong, are not right, are not normal. This is a consequence of the limitations of the human mind, a fear-based belief, not a truth. Cuneiform? I've never seen that word before in my life.
So this is my journal. This is where I write all my lists and things that I have to do.
This next song I wrote when nothing at all was wrong in my life, and so I had nothing to sing about, really. Love is the water is warm enough to life. Hearts are warm and kind, breaks the thing through all.
Very graceful. But I never claimed to be. Goodbye. What are you making?
Garlic
bread. Garlic bread?
Yeah. This is a little bit bad. Like this.
Yeah, don't like it. Those.
Those two.
Yummy. Yummy brown wet. I love yummy brown wet. The wetter the better. That's aggressive. That's aggressive. I think it would be better if I did it this way. This is so my space. A little gay man inside.
And my father once lied for your lack of kind, and you made us